be surprised a little bit with things. Oh, okay, that's cool. Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just received my Allure Beauty Box K-Beauty limited edition box. I will of course pop all the information right here. At my time of filming, this is still available, so hopefully it still is when you guys see this. But they did have this listed for I think $49 or $50, and I received an email that if you remember it was going to be on sale, so I paid like $30 for this. Hello value. You guys know how I feel about Allure Beauty Box. I've gotten the kind of standard Allure Beauty Box off and on for a very, very long time. Little sneaky peeky. And I love getting the little value boxes like this. Like this value was at like $198 or something like that. I've gotten like the GQ box for my son for Easter. Incredible value. I got the Bloom and Brighten, I think, box. Incredible value. I love being able to go in and shop as a member and get these kind of curated collections like this. I keep what I want. I do things for gifts and stuff like that. I do giveaways, and I also have my resale group over on Facebook. So yeah, this is the limited edition, the K-Beauty box with $198 value. Refresh your beauty lineup with K-Beauty essentials. First up, right on top, is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. And I will show you what that looks like. Oh, it looks so beautiful. I've tried many, many products from Glow Recipe. I do not think I've tried this particular one, but it's kind of given like the Laneige glowy mask, so I think I would like something like that. Next up, we have the TCTC Inner Eyeliner Stamp Me. I don't actually know what that is, but okay. I think it's just a standard liquid liner. I could be wrong. I didn't actually see this on the listing, but you know, I try to kind of blind buy and also still kind of be surprised a little bit with things. Oh, okay, that's cool. It's kind of a standard liner. Whoa, but it's a liquid eyeliner too. Wow, that is incredibly black. That makes a lot of sense, you guys. I'm not always a liner person, but I think I'm gonna test this out. I like that. Ooh, okay. And do I remember everything that was in here? Sure don't. Like I said, I try to just kind of hurry up. I saw the email and I just went and purchased. Next up is the JOUER for anti-aging and brightening, the Function #1 Green Tea Toner. That also sounds amazing. This feels incredibly heavy. I'll also show you what that looks like. Ooh, that's nice. It is plastic. I've never really seen a toner quite that color. Alrighty. Next up, wow, that is massive. This is the Manyo, the Pure Cleansing Oil, nourishing and refreshing, endless hunger for ingredients. That is an enormous size. And if you've tested any of these products, you have any experience with any of these products, what are some of your favorite K-Beauty products? I'd love to know. Alrighty, next up is the April Skin, the Keratin IPMP Clearing Solution, 24-hour BHA, PHA, zinc, and niacinamide. I'm not sure because it says clearing solution if this is meant for like acne, or do they mean like dark spots? Because I am seeing that it's got that kind of turmeric, like yellowy tone to it. I'm intrigued. I'm really intrigued by that. Alrighty. And next up is the Astura, the Atto Barrier 365 Lotion. This is a moisturizing lotion to strengthen the skin's barrier for dry, sensitive skin. That is me, y'all. And it says with ceramides and lipid complex. That sounds amazing. I'm actually almost done with the one that I'm using from Ellie Glein's brand. I really like that, but I think I am going to keep this as well and test that out. Y'all, there's so much stuff. Next up is the JOUER, the Derma Therapy Blue Calming Hydro Mask. That thing feels super duper juicy, y'all. Good gracious. And a good just kind of tip, if you will, as you're applying this, like when you take it out, there's going to be a ton of serum left on the inside of the package. Don't let that go to waste, y'all. Put that all over your face, put the mask on, and then massage whatever residual serum is left on the skin into the skin. I love masks and stuff, so I'm excited about that as well. Next up, wow, that also feels very, very heavy. This is the Anua 100 Plus PDRN and Hyaluron, the Aqua Hyaluronic Acid 100 Moisturizing Cream. That's a lot to say, y'all. Of course, PDRN, I've seen it all over my timeline. This says, formulated, it moisturizes, leaves a dewy glow, and deeply hydrates the skin with PDRN, hyaluronic acid, and collagen. That also sounds amazing. Y'all, I'm getting so much good skincare lately, and I don't know which to use, because obviously, we only have one face. And then last up, I actually have one of these, and I love it, which is part of the reason I was like, you know what, I already have this and love it. Let me go ahead and get this whole box. This is the IPSY Blurry Pudding Pot, and then that is the shade. Let me just make sure that's not the one I already have. All right, yeah, that is the one that I already have. Darn it! I wish I would have checked. I should have checked. So here's what it looks like. That's okay. So it is a really cool kind of spongy, you can kind of see my finger going in here. It's like a little bit spongy, a little bit whipped. And it feels kind of like those kind of velvety blurred lipsticks. That is exactly how this feels. It blends out incredibly, incredibly beautifully. Looks really stunning on the skin. It lasts really, really well. Like, it's incredible. I love these. I wish I would have checked this before I got this darn box, because that was part of the reason that I got the box, was to hopefully get a different shade of this. That is okay though. I'll run that down quickly. This does kind of stain, so don't put it on your finger like I did, but it works on the lips. It looks beautiful on the cheeks and stuff like that. Staying power is there, and it feels, like I said, like just one of those soft kind of velvety finish like lipsticks, if you're used to that formulation. I'll run that down really quickly. This is such a bummer. We got the IPSY Blurry Pudding Pot in the shade, I guess, My, ND04. Love this already. The JOUER, the Dermatherapy Blue Calming Hydro Mask. We got our Anua 100 Plus, the PDRN and Hyaluron Moisturizing Cream. We got the Ma Nyo, the Pure Cleansing Oil, Nourishing and Refreshing. That ain't all what I said, y'all. Refreshing. We got the JOUER Function No. 1 Green Tea Toner. We got our April Skin, the Keratin IPMP Clearing Solution. We got the Astura Atto Barrier 365 Lotion. It is a moisturizing lotion to strengthen the skin barrier. Excited as heck about that too, y'all. We got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops Serum. And we got the Stamp Me, the TLTC Inner Eyeliner. Oh, today lovely, tomorrow chic. That's cute as hell, y'all. Okay, this says, gently glide along the lash line as if filling in between the lashes. Press lightly as if stamping. I'm excited about that, y'all. That is very, very black. I don't feel like it's like setting down super matte. If it's not super matte, I probably will not like it. So we'll just kind of see, but it's staying in place and stuff like that. So I'm intrigued. I'm really intrigued by that. So here's a little card. That is the breakdown of all of our products. And I'm blown away, as I usually am with these types of boxes. I do get the subscription box, and I really, really love that as well. I love being able to get a curation like this, and I think that's why sometimes I can kind of crap on some subscription boxes or like mystery boxes and things like that, because I paid roughly like $30, $35 for this, and I have a $200 value here. I'd like to know what you guys thought. Are you someone that gets the Allure Beauty box? Do you get it kind of solely to be able to shop the member store? What in here is your favorite product? What is something you were dying to try? What is something in here that you already know and love? I'd like to know. Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. You can also hype the video. You can tap the bell so you never miss a video. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.